Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, Chili 1911. Today I just want to take a quick look, do a little bit of an overview and somewhat of a comparison video on the Zippo Slim. So everyone knows the classic Zippo lighter. The Zippo company was founded in 1932 by American inventor George G. Blaisdell, and in 1933 produced the first Zippo lighter. Then about 1955 they started manufacturing what's called the Slim, which is this lighter here. And in 1956 they launched the first Slim and put it out to the public. The Slim was originally designed to appeal more towards women, but they found that men liked it too. This particular one is a G of 19. It's a fairly newer one. So that's July of 19 is the manufacturer on that one. So here's a regular classic Zippo. This one's a B of 21. So February of 21. These are both street chrome finish, so it's a good representation of them side by side. You can tell right away by looking how much smaller the Slim is as far as width. So the width on a Slim is 0.38 inches, where a classic is a full half inch. Length on the Slim is 1.13 inches. The classic is 1.5 inches. Height on the Slim, 2.38 inches. Classic, 2.25 inches. The weight on the Slim is 1.5 ounce and 2 ounces on the classic. Now you may have noticed on the height on the Slim is 2.38 inches versus 2 1/4 on the classic. Now you put them side by side, they're basically the same, but you'll notice the hinge on the Slim is higher. That's where they're getting that 2.38 versus 2 1/4. It's basically the lid, or to the bottom of the lid. There's the classic in the back, it's shorter. The Slim comes up higher. As far as the inserts go, here's your classic, Slim. You'll notice, beyond the fact it's thinner on the body, the Slim, right away you notice, is cut different on the bottom. No one really knows why. It kind of goes up to a curve and comes back down in a sweeping motion. I'm sure they did that just to differentiate from the classic insert so people didn't get confused, but I mean, it will fit into a classic case, but it's not, it's not gonna, you're not gonna be able to use it. One thing you'll notice too is right in front of the cam on this Classic. The way the chimney goes up, it's almost like a, right here is almost like a triangle shape, this hole, this opening. If you look at the Slim, it's more of a square. That's a difference as well. Right above and in front of that cam, you can kind of tell the two. On the body of the insert for the Classic, the words and everything are written horizontally, left to right. The Slim is vertical. It's just because it's not as wide, they had to turn it this way to put the literature on there. Of course, the cam's smaller. Everything is basically just smaller on the Slim. One thing to note too, difference wise, on a Classic, that lid's fully open. You notice how it doesn't touch the body really. You got like a wedge here of space. A Slim goes all the way. It'll touch the body of the case. With a Slim, you don't really get that classic Zippo ping. It has its own sound in itself, but it's just not the same as the but that's the basic rundown. No major differences as far, I mean, it's mainly just size. Beyond the fact of that cut down at the bottom on the insert on the Slim's cut different, and that hole on the chimney in front of the cam is made a little different. The wind hole, I think they call it. It's just a scaled down Classic's basically what it is. But just a quick rundown on the Zippo Slim. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them in the comments. Beyond the one of why the Slim's cut different at the bottom on the insert, I have no idea. I don't think anyone really does. Maybe if you emailed or called Zippo's headquarters in Bradford, PA, they might be able to say, but no one really. It's kind of one of the mysteries of Zippo. But anyway, thanks for watching this Zippo Slim video. Y'all have a good day, and Chili 1911 out.